Good morning to all Smartians. I'm Manju ma'am, and today I am here for representing you your holiday homework that give you help for completing your holiday homework of your SST class 6th day. So first of all we talk about the assessment points which we consider in your final assessment, and these are some points. And please listen better carefully because these are calculated in your assessment, final assessment, and these are very important. And these are calculated on the regular basis of activities of your home, at your home. So please listen carefully and follow also this. First of all, parents participation. Parents participation means in PTM when we go from the schools, how your parents respond us all these matters, and it consists 10 marks. Second point is behavior at home. Your behavior at home. You are doing your homework at a time, in particular time. You are maintaining your syllabus. You are covering your syllabus according to the timetable or not. These points are considered according to your assessment. Behavior at home. Third point is behavior in class. When your teacher is presenting a lesson plan or chapter, not in my class, not in my SST class, in each and every class, in English, Hindi, Science, SST, how can you behave in a particular class, and how can you manage the all activities done by your teachers are assessed in this point. It consists also 10 marks. Use of mobile phone. I know mobile phone is a very important thing for all of you, but you have to use it mobile in a very limited way. You very well know. No need to try to understand. No need to explain me. What are the demerits of mobile, using of mobile? So please, if you can use mobile as less as you can, then please use a mobile as possible as you can. क्या बोल रही हूँ मैं? कम से कम यूज करिए मोबाइल फोन का, जितना कम कर सकते हैं. और प्रॉपर यूनिफॉर्म, योर ब्लेजर, ट्राई सूट, अपर, लोअर, all are considered in this point. So please maintain all these, and if you are not purchasing right now yet, then please have purchased it. It consists of also 10 marks. Participation in co-curricular activities, your house activities, your classroom activities like painting, writing, story writing, all these are considered in these points. It also consists 10 marks. Speak in English. As you all know, your school environment is totally school English campus. Praying at home. Whatever God you believe in, God, please pray at home. At least give 5 to 10 minutes for your praying. And notebook work. Your notebook should be maintained properly. Should be clear. Writing should be clear. And cover should be maintained on notebook yours. And homework also. You have to done your homework in a particular time, daily basis. All these consist 10 marks, and total marks is 100. Your assessment of assessment points 100. अब यानी आपका जो भी होगा कि आपका पेपर के अलावा बाकी जो आपका असेसमेंट प्रोग्राम होगा वो 100 मार्क्स का होगा. और फिर कवरिंग पॉइंट से आई थिंक ये सब क्लियर शुड बी क्लियर फॉर ऑल. अब नेक्स्ट इज आवर टॉपिक इज आवर हॉलिडे होमवर्क, एसएसटी हॉलिडे होमवर्क. आप जानते हैं आवर टॉपिक ऑफ हॉलिडे होमवर्क इज इंडियन कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज. बेटा व्हाट इज इंडियन कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज? इंडियन कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज इज आवर कल्चर, our community, our society, our civilization. Group of small refers to a group of small distinct civilization. The rules, the rituals we follow, the prayers we done for the gods, these are included in our culture heritage. Like clothing, the cloth we wear,